Raj. One of Canada's largest St. Patrick's Day celebrations is underway downtown at a bar right now. CP24's Jamie Goodfreund is getting an early start to St. Party's Day at Versailles. How's the party there, Jamie?
You know what? It's just getting started. Expect this area along King West to get crazy busy. You know what? I attended several St. Party's Day in the past, including the first one. So we are here just at Versailles. And if you've never been to a St. Party's Day and you are looking for some fun, this is the place to be. I got my man Sebastian over here, one of the organizers. Back for your 6th year. How many people are you expecting this year?
8,000 this year.
8,000. So obviously there's going to be no shortage of beer and the green beer. But let's talk about some of the entertainment. We got another band setting up, but I understand you got a big pipe band coming through.
Oh, yeah, we got a big pipe band coming from Burlington. So they'll be playing at 2:30, and they're going to get the party started. So we're really excited.
And what time is this party going till?
We're going till 2 a.m.
Woo!
This is a day-to-day party, so come out and we'll be partying for 10 more hours.
Okay, so we're no shortage of partying that is going to be happening down here. Travis, I don't know if you've ever attended it, but I highly recommend. And they're just warming up. I mean, this is the pregame, right, guys? This is the pregame right now. So everyone's going to be very fired up over the next couple of hours. Don't forget, TTC is the better way to not drink and drive. But if you get a chance, come on down to St. Party's Day. It's going to be crazy. And it's happening just behind here at Versailles. But they also have a heated patio as well. So, and it's a beautiful day. Not a bad day to find your inner Irishman. We'll send it back to you, my friend.
Travis O'Dan-Raj. Jamie, the party looks like it's in full swing there. Thank you so much. We're going to check back in with Jamie again soon.